Have you ever found yourself clicking, buy now on the latest gadget, only to regret it later? Impulse tech purchases are more common than you think, especially with tempting ads and easy online shopping. Today, we're diving into the 72-hour rule, a simple strategy to help you pause and make smarter decisions when it comes to buying new technology. Let's explore how this rule works and why it's so effective in curbing those spontaneous purchases. The 72-hour rule is a decision-making technique designed to help you avoid impulsive purchases. When you feel the urge to buy a new tech item, you simply wait for 72 hours before making the purchase. This waiting period gives you time to reflect on whether you truly need the item or if it's just a fleeting desire. By delaying your decision, you gain perspective and reduce the likelihood of buyer's remorse. Impulse buying is often driven by emotions, marketing tactics, and the thrill of owning something new. Tech products, in particular, are marketed as must-haves, making it easy to get caught up in the excitement. Understanding why we buy impulsively is the first step in breaking the habit. The 72-hour rule helps us slow down and question our motivations, leading to more thoughtful purchases. Applying the 72-hour rule is straightforward. When you spot a tech item you want, resist the urge to buy it immediately. Instead, note the product and set a reminder for 72 hours later. During this time, avoid revisiting the product page or reading more reviews. This break allows your initial excitement to fade, making it easier to assess whether the purchase is truly necessary. Waiting 72 hours before making a tech purchase has several benefits. It gives you time to research alternatives, check reviews, and consider your budget. You may realize that you don't need the item or that there's a better option available. This waiting period also helps you avoid buyer's remorse and ensures your purchases align with your actual needs. To make the 72-hour rule effective, set up reminders on your phone or calendar. When you find a tech item you want, create a note with the product details and schedule a notification for 3 days later. This simple step helps you stick to the rule and prevents impulsive actions. By using technology to manage your purchases, you gain control over your buying habits. During the 72-hour waiting period, take time to reflect on why you want the tech item. Ask yourself if it solves a real problem or if it's just a desire for something new. Consider how it fits into your current collection and whether it adds value to your life. This reflection helps you make more intentional decisions and reduces unnecessary spending. While you wait, use the time to research alternative products. Look for reviews, compare prices, and check if there are better options available. Sometimes, you'll find a more suitable tech item or realize that your initial choice wasn't the best. This research phase ensures you make informed decisions and get the most value for your money. Before making any tech purchase, review your budget. The 72-hour rule gives you time to assess whether you can afford the item without sacrificing other priorities. If the purchase doesn't fit your budget, it's easier to walk away after waiting. This step helps you avoid financial stress and keeps your spending in check. Tech companies use marketing tactics to create urgency and encourage quick purchases. During the 72-hour wait, avoid ads and promotional emails related to the product. This helps you resist pressure and make decisions based on your needs, not marketing hype. Staying mindful of these tactics is key to sticking with the rule. Talking to friends or family about your potential tech purchase can provide valuable perspective. They may help you see things differently or remind you of similar items you already own. Sharing your thoughts during the 72-hour wait can lead to more balanced decisions and prevent impulsive buys. Consider how often you'll use the tech item in the long run. Will it become a daily essential or end up collecting dust? The 72-hour rule encourages you to think about the item's longevity and usefulness. This evaluation helps you prioritize purchases that truly enhance your life. Emotions often drive impulsive tech purchases. Whether it's excitement, boredom, or stress, recognizing these triggers is crucial. The 72-hour rule gives you time to identify and manage emotional impulses, leading to more rational buying decisions. Keep a record of your tech purchases and review them regularly. The 72-hour rule helps you build a habit of tracking what you buy, which can reveal patterns and prevent future impulsive spending. This practice promotes accountability and financial awareness. Reflect on previous impulsive tech buys and what led to them. The 72-hour rule encourages you to learn from these experiences and avoid repeating the same mistakes. By understanding your buying history, you can make better choices moving forward. Using the 72-hour rule consistently builds discipline in your buying habits. Over time, you'll find it easier to resist impulsive purchases and make decisions that align with your values. Discipline is key to achieving financial goals and maintaining control over your tech spending. Instead of buying tech items immediately, add them to a wish list. The 72-hour rule works well with this approach, allowing you to revisit your list after the waiting period. You may find that some items lose their appeal, helping you prioritize what's truly important. The 72-hour rule helps you distinguish between needs and wants. Ask yourself if the tech item is essential or just a desire. This clarity prevents unnecessary purchases and ensures your money is spent wisely. Fear of missing out, FOMO, can drive impulsive tech purchases, especially during sales or product launches. The 72-hour rule helps you step back and evaluate whether the item is truly worth it. By resisting FOMO, you make decisions based on value, not hype. The 72-hour rule encourages you to gather information before buying. Read product specifications, watch video reviews, and compare features. Informed decisions lead to better satisfaction and fewer regrets. Impulse tech buys often lead to clutter and unused devices. The 72-hour rule helps you avoid accumulating unnecessary gadgets, keeping your space organized and functional. Less clutter means more room for items you truly value. By waiting 72 hours, you often realize that you don't need the tech item, saving money in the process. This rule helps you build savings and allocate funds to more meaningful purchases or experiences. Consistently using the 72-hour rule improves your financial health. You spend less on unnecessary tech and have more resources for important goals. This approach fosters responsible spending and long-term financial stability. Buyer's remorse is common after impulsive tech purchases. The 72-hour rule minimizes this feeling by ensuring you make thoughtful decisions. Waiting gives you confidence in your choices and reduces regret. The 72-hour rule is more than just a buying strategy. It's a habit builder. By practicing patience and reflection, you develop habits that support smarter tech purchases and overall well-being. While the 72-hour rule is great for tech buys, it can be applied to other purchases as well. Use it for clothing, home goods, or any item you're tempted to buy impulsively. This universal approach helps you make better decisions across all areas of spending. Sales and limited-time offers create a sense of urgency. The 72-hour rule helps you overcome this pressure by giving you time to evaluate whether the deal is truly worth it. Most offers return, and waiting ensures you don't make hasty decisions. When you make a thoughtful tech purchase after using the 72-hour rule, celebrate your decision. Recognize the value of patience and intentionality. This positive reinforcement encourages you to continue making smart choices in the future. Spread the word about the 72-hour rule to friends and family. Sharing this strategy can help others avoid impulsive tech buys and improve their financial habits. Together, you can build a community of mindful consumers. To sum up, the 72-hour rule is a powerful tool for stopping impulsive tech buys. By waiting, reflecting, and researching, you make smarter decisions that benefit your finances and well-being. Start applying this rule today and enjoy the confidence that comes with intentional purchases.